Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps. They should be on the third position. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Special App Access, and here find the option called Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Basically, if you'd like to allow particular app to install something, just tap on it, for example Drive, and tap on the switcher here. And after getting back, you can see that from now on the Drive is allowed to install some content just like the Chrome. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and be careful. And basically you can turn off all previously given permissions. Just tap on the app again and tap on the switcher here. Let's go back, and as you can see, the Drive is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.